Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to make dhokla. So dhokla is one of the special snack of Gujarat. This is an easy to make snack recipe that can be prepared anytime and is best enjoyed with tempered or pan fried green chilies. It's a quick dish that can be prepared in just 30 minutes and requires ingredients that you can easily find in your kitchen cabinet. So here is an easy way to make common dhokla. So without further ado, let's begin the video. To prepare this delicious common dhokla, take a bowl, add 1 glass of water, lemon juice, hing, 2 finely chopped green chillies, ginger, 1 spoon of salt, 2 spoons of sugar, a pinch of turmeric. Mix well all these ingredients for about 2 minutes. Make sure that the sugars are completely dissolved. Now take another bowl, add 1 gram flour, half cup of semolina. Now pour the lemon juice into the mixture. Mix well for about 20 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil and mix the batter for about 10 minutes. Make sure you will mix the batter for at least 5 minutes. Now leave it aside for about 20 minutes and place a steamer to heat. After 20 minutes, add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Here you can even add citric acid or oregano, but here I'm using baking powder, and mix it for 5 minutes. Now grease a mold with oil and pour the batter into the mold. And cook on low flame for about 15 to 20 minutes. Check with knife after 15 minutes by inserting into the dhokla. If the knife comes out clean, remove it from the stove, allow the dish to cool and transfer it into a plate and then cut it into pieces. For the tempering, heat another pan with oil in it over moderate flame. Once the oil is sufficiently hot, add mustard seeds, 1 spoon of cumin. When mustard seeds starts to crackle, add curry leaves, two to 3 finely chopped green chillies, 1 spoon of ginger, 1 glass of water for boiling purpose, and cook it for 2 minutes. Now add hing, 1 spoon of sugar, 1 spoon of salt, half of lemon juice. Cook it for about 5 minutes. Now remove and pour the dhoklas. Serve garnished with chopped coriander leaves and grated coconut. So if you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you for watching.